The Founist Vlogmate mini phone monitor turns your rear phone camera into a reliable selfie and vlogging screen, giving you a sharp, real-time view that makes framing much more precise. Its wired plug-and-play connection avoids the instability of wireless links, so the live preview stays smooth and responsive during recording or streaming. An included low-latency Bluetooth remote doubles as a physical shutter button or a detached controller, which makes it easy to trigger photos and videos without touching the phone. Because the monitor draws tiny amounts of power directly from the phone, instead of using its own battery, there is no extra device to charge, and it stays ready for long shooting sessions. The bright, high-resolution AMOLED panel remains clearly visible even in strong outdoor light, helping you judge exposure and composition accurately in almost any environment. Broad compatibility with many iPhone models, bundled cables, and a compact, travel-friendly design make this monitor a flexible tool for creators who shoot on the go.